Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep in touch with our constant updates. Teething is a natural process that all babies go through, but it can be a painful and uncomfortable experience for both the baby and the parents. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help soothe your baby's teething pain and make the process easier for everyone involved. One of the easiest ways to soothe a teething baby is with a teething ring. These come in a variety of shapes and sizes and can be made of different materials. Some can be chilled in the fridge, which can provide extra relief for sore gums. It's important to supervise your baby when they're using a teething ring, and make sure it's clean and safe for them to use. Another way to soothe a teething baby is with music and singing. Gentle, calming songs can help distract your baby from the discomfort they're feeling and create a calming environment. Massaging your baby's gums can also provide relief. Use a clean finger or a soft, damp cloth to rub their gums gently. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as this can cause further discomfort. Chilled fruit and vegetables can also provide relief for teething babies. Try offering your baby small pieces of chilled apple, carrot, or cucumber to chew on. This not only helps soothe their gums but also introduces them to new textures and flavors. Teething can cause discomfort and disrupt sleep patterns. If your baby is having trouble sleeping, try giving them a gentle massage or using a white noise machine to create a calming environment. Remember, teething is a temporary phase, and it will pass. In the meantime, be patient and show your baby lots of love and affection. We hope these tips have helped you soothe your baby's teething pain. Remember to consult with your pediatrician if you have any concerns or questions about your baby's teething process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful parenting tips.